Guys, good morning. It will be a short one, most probably, but anyways, today is Saturday, and I was working on my mental condition today because there are there are some things that I'm a bit worried about, and I understand that I don't need to be worried about them because I have more than enough when it comes to funds then I need to develop this business. I have more than enough when it comes to pretty much everything, but sometimes you just get worried about what potentially can happen. However, this potentially usually doesn't happen at all. So I think it will be a short video, but I just want to say that during this way, when you create your own business, sometimes you can face some challenges. Actually, you will face challenges. It's almost it's almost 100% guarantee. But for each of us, the challenge will be different, and it's never it will never be easy. But you guys have to be prepared to such kind of mental mm, turbulence, mental instability. Have to be prepared for the fact that you will be challenged when it comes to, I don't know, it's unique for everyone. It's not easy to develop a business. For me personally, it's extremely interesting to develop a business. I strongly believe that it's worth developing it, and I believe that this is one of my biggest achievements as for now. That over the last 6 months, a bit more, over the last 203 days, I believe, yeah, or 202 days, I was doing what I do, and I didn't step back. And on a daily basis, man, on a freaking daily basis, no matter if it's Saturday, Sunday, Wednesday, Thursday, doesn't matter. I was doing this stuff that eventually will bring me to my goal. This is the most important. But yeah, man, usually you just get you you just think about things that you basically don't need to think about. Of course, once again, 99 okay, 80, maybe approximately 80% of things that you are worried about, they will not happen, man. But they affect your behavior and they affect your condition just sitting in your brain. So usually you just need uh to to clean your mind. Wait. To clean your mind and to work with something that is sitting there inside, because this is not something that helps you. So today was the day when I was doing these kind of things, and once again, man, bro, if you're a guy, it's so freaking important to have a right woman with you, the right woman who or you can call this like girlfriend or wife or something like that, who will support you and who will help you in not only in such situations actually, but along the way. And once again, I say it almost in each episode. I'm so grateful that I have Masha, such a girl, such a woman who helps me and who supports me, like in any situation, man, in any situation. Just thank you. See you guys tomorrow.